Welcome back to another FlexPBX Smart PBX video. Today we're going to be looking at users. A user is a person who has an extension and a device. As you can see, we have 15 users currently configured on this demonstration tenancy. Let's dive in and take a look at some of the settings. By clicking the user settings, you can see that we've got the person's name, their email address, a voicemail box, whether you want to send the emails to an alternate address. This can be useful if you have an executive who has an executive assistant and they want all of the voicemails to be carbon copied to that EA, including the user in the company directory, what rights this user has. That is, whether they are a user or an administrator. If they are an administrator, they will be able to see the FlexPBX Smart PBX console that you're looking at now. If they are a user, they will only be able to make modifications to their own account. You may change the time zone. This is useful if you have users across multiple time zones. This will change the time on their handset, and it will also change the time for the greeting of their voicemail, how long you wish their phone to ring for by default. The default on all users is 20 seconds. This is approximately 5 rings, and the main extension number. If the user only has a single extension, then only one extension number will be shown. If you make any changes on this screen, press Save Changes. If you want to discard any settings, press Cancel. If you've made changes, you'll get a tick saying it's successfully saved. Next, let's look at the extension. Each user must have an extension. A user can also have multiple extensions. This is really useful if someone in your company leaves and you wish their extension to be assigned to another user. To add an extension, click the number and click Add Extension to this user. An extension is just a number. It holds no reference to anything else. You can't have duplicate extensions, and extensions can't be duplicated across groups. Let's go and add an extension to this user. Right, we've added 1002. Click Save. You'll now see that the icon next to Jeff has changed. This now shows that there's multiple extensions assigned to Jeff. This means if someone calls either 1007 or 1002, Jeff's phone will ring. If at any time you want to remove this, you click Unassign and then Save. Let's unassign 1002 and then click Save. You'll now see Jeff's extension has only one extension assigned. Phone numbers. This refers to a direct in-dial number. In some companies, all employees have a direct in-dial number, which allows them to be contacted via a local phone number. Let's go and add a direct in-dial to Jeff. Click on the phone numbers. Click Add from Spare Numbers. If you have spare numbers in your tenancy, you'll be able to select from one of those spare numbers. Select the number you wish to add, then click Add Selected Numbers. Once you've done that, ensure you click Save. Jeff's phone number is now here in the Phone Numbers section. You can have either the main tenancy phone number or Jeff's direct in-dial number showing up when he makes a call. You can change this under the User features. Devices are assigned to users. A user can have more than one device. This is a phone on a desk, such as a Yealink handset, or a software application on a PC, Mac, iPhone, or Android device. The user features is extremely important. This allows you to change things such as the caller ID, whether the call is forwarded, if you have enabled hot desking, what happens to their voicemails, a conference bridge, the Find Me, Follow Me number, music on hold, and any recording. We'll touch on some of these features in future videos.